Hold on to your seats. It's an Artsplosion. Hi, my name is Marco Art with Taikoza, and today I'd like to talk about Japanese art form of origami. You've probably seen these paper, and you can fold them and create different things. So eventually we'll make a crane. So there are some instructions online. You can find how to make cranes, beautiful cranes, and I put a mask here. The crane is symbol of health and peace. So I'd like to send it around, and in Japan, students would make 1,000 of these cranes for health and peace, and they would put it in temples or shrines or different places, as you can see on the picture. So now all around the world, a lot of people create these cranes to wish good health. So I hope you have, I'm wishing you good health. I'm going to ship it to you. Hopefully it's getting to Baltimore soon. So here I'm sending it off to you. So make sure to grab it. Oh, spasiba. Thank you very much. Thanks for the crane. I prepared one. Thank you for coming to Moscow, but I don't think it's Baltimore. So I made one too, and I'm going to send it to you. So stay healthy. Oh, grazie. Benvenuti. Thank you very much for the nice crane. I made also a crane, so I'm going to send it to you. This is not Baltimore, this is Rome. So thank you. Have a safe trip. Oh, merci beaucoup. Thanks coming to Paris. This is not Baltimore, but hopefully I'm going to send this to Baltimore. Thank you and bye. Oh, thank you. Very nice crane. I actually made one too. I'm going to send it to you. And here's my little crane, and here it goes. Oh, thank you. Finally, we are in Baltimore. Thank you for sending this and this wish of health and peace. So everyone, make sure in Baltimore we stay safe and healthy, put our little mask on, wash our hands, and keep 6 feet apart. Okay, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.